Hi, I'm Valerie. I'm one of the A-Frame's new caretakers. In this video, we'll show you the before and the in progress for all of our exterior demolition projects, renovation projects, and I think we picked a new paint color. So stay tuned. The A-frame is located in Red River, New Mexico's Upper Valley at an elevation over 9,000 feet. In early to midsummer, the temperatures at night are in the 30s and 40s, so we had to wait until things warmed up quite a bit before we could start on any exterior work. Absolutely every surface on the exterior of the A-frame needs attention and TLC. We decided to start with a demolition by removing the shed because the snow pile from the slide of the roof collects behind the shed and it's rotted, and it also will give us easier access to completely reface the chimney that's in serious need of refacing. One night we forgot to bring in the hummingbird feeder and we had some visitors. So Mama Bear helped us out a little bit with what we later did on the front porch. Before the shed was demolished, we had a little fun with it and made it into a dartboard. With the shed gone, we've got better access to the chimney and many parts of the roof. And we've also been working to replace the roof screws with something a little bit larger to fill in the gaps and to replace the screws that had backed their way out over time. There wasn't any part of the rear deck that could be salvaged, at least not safely. So it had to go. Much like removing the shed, with the deck out of the way, our access to the exterior and the peak of the A is much better. We're also removing the yellow trim, and that will be replaced with a stained cedar. We're cleaning up the outside of the house to prepare for paint, but also because it really desperately needed it. And we may have found a leak or two along the way. We're trying to salvage what we can on the front porch and plan to repaint it. This has been a multi-step process to remove the old paint, and we're not quite sure how this is going to turn out. and we may replace all of it anyway. We started trying out some new colors and went with Tomcat. We also had to pick a color for the cedar trim that will replace the yellow trim. And then we tried Tomcat out on the stairs to the river and just absolutely love it. Bit by bit, we are removing or covering up all of the yellow. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so you don't miss what happens next.